Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for taking the time to just hang out, sit with me, and watch us clean the house. So for this video, you can just see that Ben and I are taking down some Christmas decorations. I wish that they could stay up till March, but it was just getting out of control. So we're just here taking down decorations. So far the tree is cut in half. Ben's a little sad because he doesn't want to really help, but you know, we're a team. So we're just putting away ornaments right now, and then we are going to put the ornaments all in the closet. That's where we keep our Christmas stuff, and then after a while you'll see that we will begin to tackle the tree itself. So we got really lucky with this tree. It was like $30 some, and trees are relatively expensive to get, so we lucked out with this one. It's a pre-lit artificial tree. I think it's only 6 feet tall, so it's not that big, and it's not crazy fluffy, but it's just perfect for our family, and it's easy to take apart, which I love. We got it at Walmart, and you can just pull pieces apart, and there's only 2 pieces. They go right in half, top and bottom, and then you fold all the branches in, and then the branches that fold in, you can fold those pieces up, and so it just makes for easy storage. And so that's another reason why I love this tree so much. And so now we just needed a break. So I got us some tea, and now we're just getting a little tea break, and we're picking up the trash right now. And I'll address the Minnie Mouse ears. I found those while I was cleaning, and my hair was all over my face, so I needed like a headband to hold my hair back. So that's what the Minnie Mouse ears are from, if you were wondering why I was wearing Minnie Mouse ears. And so now I'm just gonna start vacuuming up all of the mess that happened whenever I was putting the tree away. And this is, I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I just know that it's a shark vacuum, and I'm obsessed with it. I got it from Costco, and it was only $129. I don't think if they sell it anymore, but I will be sure to link what kind of vacuum it is down below. And now I'm just putting the mirror back. It's funny, this mirror is actually a closet door mirror that was in our room, and I just got sick of them because they would always get stuck together. So I just took them apart and used them as decorations. And now I'm just putting together all of the garland that I made with stuff from our wedding, some fake flowers that I used for my seasonal wreaths, and just picking up all the remains of the things that hang out around the house. And so here we go, into laundry mode. I always like to make sure the floor is nice and clean before I throw laundry on it, because I just cleaned all these clothes and I don't want them to get dirty again. So clean a mess to make another mess. But this is how I typically do laundry. Our washer and dryer is in our garage, so I just, after they're done drying, I go and grab them and I just throw them onto our rug, and I'll pop on a movie or a sermon or music on the TV. That's why you see us like looking up sometimes. Right now, Jurassic World is playing, the first one of my favorite movies. And so that's what's playing while we just fold the clothes. And then after this, I just go and take them to our room and I hang them up. And this is how I typically do laundry, and it takes me a long time. As you can see with Ben, he just likes to get wild and start throwing stuff at me. It's so funny as I'm doing the voiceover, just watching him throw clothes at me. I'm like, oh, I have some good patience. There were times though where I kind of lost it, but it's okay. And then here, any second, you'll see Daisy. Here she goes. Jumps on the couch, and then she's making her way to the folded clothes. She likes how they're warm. I don't blame her, but they're, yep. She's like, but Mom, I love clean, warm clothes. So, I don't blame her. But yeah, this is typically how I do laundry, how I get it done. And this is a typical cleaning day for us. I think this is one of the days that it had snowed here, so we were on lockdown mode anyways. So I figured I'd just film, show you guys how I do some cleaning, how I do some laundry, see if you guys like that kind of stuff. I know that cleaning videos or laundry videos always get me in the mood or motivated to do some cleaning, so hopefully this motivated you guys in any way. A real cool thing that I just want to point out is that hoodie that I just folded. It says Pilgrim on it. Andrew actually, he designed that hoodie, and it's for his discipleship program that he created for Zion City for the men of our church, and it'll be happening again, I believe, this summer, and it's called The Pilgrimage, and it's a intense discipleship program. So if you have a boyfriend or husband or brother or cousin or anybody you think who would want to be intensely discipled, I would really encourage you guys to check it out and to see what it's all about, because the pilgrimage has done so many amazing things to men who have joined. Last year was their first year, and so I really encourage you ladies to encourage your men to try it, to see what it's all about. It doesn't cost anything, and I think every year he's gonna give some cool hoodies. Maybe not, but either way, you should check it out. It's really, really cool. But I think that, yep, getting a phone call. Thanks guys, see you later.